Hello everybody, this is a presentation for the final project of CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript for Harvard Island University. Uh, this is the site, however, it's not working right now. Let's start the server, run the server, and we'll have it again. As intended, it has two versions, one desktop version like this, and if we go beyond the 768, we have the desktop version, and it works fine. Like this, you can see that it works fine, but if you go under the 60, it will switch to mobile responsive. Okay, so let's stay in the desktop one, and as you can see, the form works fine, and let's use a genuine email to see the results for chocolate as an example, PhD and Python example. So let's get into the field. It will open the Chrome. So keep on searching. It takes time, and maybe it ends soon the search before we run out of the time. At the background for the admin, it shows the process. So we are looking at actually now for the Python, and the web search. Now it's PhD. The web search is intentionally limited to 4 pages to lower the time of search. And I hope still we have time. So 2 minutes. Yes, okay, we have the time. The search is going, and the web page is still waiting. While we are looking, we're waiting for it. It is good to show that the footer is responsive, run by Django, and the generated photos and appearance is done by Figma. So it seems that something happened. Okay, it asks for continuation, so I hit the C, it will generate the HTML files, and then again ask it for sending emails or not. Yes, okay, I hit the C for continuing sending emails, and it will prepare the HTML for the email and send it. So we should wait for the email as received. Let's see what's going on the email. Yes, this is the results for the chocolate, the Python, and the PhD. And also, after running, beyond that sending the emails, it shows the results to the user on this page, the same results. And they can return to the main page. This is for admins usage. I hope you enjoyed it. And in the admin panel, you have information about the users that are in trial, registered, or expired estates that is managed by Clary and Redis.